Okay guys, this year we have a new incubator that we're using, and since I cannot be there to drop these off to you, I'm doing a short video so you guys know how to set them up. I'm very excited about these incubators. We had a group try them out in the fall with, I think, 100% hatch rate. So again, that also depends on the eggs too, but I'm going to walk you through this pretty quickly. So your incubator has several different parts. This is what the eggs sit on, and so everything else is in the bottom. This is your egg turner, this white part, so it's important that it's in there. And then this is the lid. So when you look at the instructions, which are there, please get to know those. It'll tell you that the lid has to match up with the notches. And so you'll notice on two sides, this side and the other side, that those are the notches. So I'm going to set this down where you guys can still see, hopefully. And on the lid, here is one of the notches. So set your lid on there. At this point, there is no water in the incubator, which is different than what we had before. So you'll notice with this setup, there is a cord coming out of the bottom. That is to operate the turner. On the back of the lid are the plug-ins. You'll plug in the egg turner. Then you'll find the power supply cord and plug in the power supply cord. You know it's working if it starts beeping. So the screen is different as well. The temperature adjust is here. It should fire up and work exactly the way you want it. Here is a venting flap, and in the instructions it's very specific on when you need to open things, when you need to change humidity. One amazing thing about this incubator is that once you set your eggs, you do not have to open it again. All of the water is going to be poured into these trays. You'll see a tray A and a tray B, and in the instructions it has more detail on when to add to each tray. In your box, you will find a red stopper. Looks just like this, fits around. It goes into side B. It prevents warm air from leaking out. Promise it does fit in there. It takes the shape. Sorry, I put that in there terribly, but you guys get the idea. That will stay in there until 3 days before the hatch begins. That's when you'll pull that out. So for the first 19 days or so, you're only going to add water into tray A. And again, the instructions are very short, very sweet, but extremely helpful. So again, your instructions look like this. There's a set in each box, and we will do our best to send out reminders on when to start making changes. So we will drop these off this week, and then it's right after spring break. That Monday after spring break, go ahead and get them plugged in.